Here's week 3 of Vlogtober. We went to Buc-ee's after the Tex Indie Book Fair, and look how awesome this truck is. Plus, it's full of Buc-ee's beavers, so it can't be any cuter. If you've never been to Buc-ee's in Texas, you've got to go. Then I recorded some footage for a reel on Instagram about this card that I made, and I tended to my plants, and that's when things started to get a little frustrating. I don't know what is getting in my plants. Look at this. Like, oh my gosh. And I hope your Friday is going better than my avocado tree. I think it's a goner. Look what happened. Alright, so this was the original tree. I came out the other day and it was sawed in half. So I stuck it back in. It doesn't have any roots or anything. I just stuck it in thinking maybe it'll produce. And look, something got this branch too. Like, what in the world? Ugh, that's a squirrel. Ugh. It was so tall and so pretty, and all the leaves are gone. Next up, I dumped all of my footage from my trip to Katy, and that video will be coming out in a couple of days, so be on the lookout there. And after I did some tending to some things online, book inventory was next on my list, and that's a never-ending job. Here's kind of how I handle it. I have this trusty little journal I take with me to events, and I jot down the event information, and I try to tally the books that are sold. And yeah, my Square app can do it, but I don't always put the cash purchases on the Square app, so having it written down definitely helps. And then I have this inventory scanning QR code, and I go and scan it, which I have a video that I did a while back about it. So I'm going to scan the code, and I'm going to start tracking the inventory that's left, which this box was very full, and I sold a dozen books, which is amazing. Well, actually, I sold a dozen books. Wait, what week is this? I don't even know. Anyways, oh, this was after my Sibilla Book Fair event. So I'll have that video out next week. I think my weeks and my blogging stuff is off, but you know, whatever. Here you go. I am tracking the number of books sold, putting it in the form, and then it'll update on the Google spreadsheet, and I can order more books. And I do have a video about that I will be making soon about how Amazon KDP author copies are delivered. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy kind of the rest of the vlog here.